Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Listeners, yesterday we saw strong recovery in the market. The market was down on Tuesday, but on Wednesday, on the back of positive global cues, we saw higher opening, and later on the market closed above the mark of 17,100, which is positive in the short term. And based on the short term formation of the market, we are of the view that markets are heading for the levels of at least 17,250, 17,350 sort of levels. 17,050 acted as very good support for the market during the day. Almost 2 to 3 times market fallen to the levels of 17,050, but it recovered back and eventually it closed at the highest point of the day. Bank Nifty was also down but managed to sustain above the mark of 36,200, 36,300, which was its important crucial support based on retracements. So while looking at the broader pattern of the market, we are of the view that markets are heading towards the levels of 17,250 or 350 sort of levels. Today it's a day of weekly expiry. Again, if we go through with FI's activity in the market, then yesterday also we saw some short covering from the FIs. Today also we are expecting further more upside as dollar index, which was around some 101 sort of levels, is now quoting at 100.25, 100.35. Crude is at 107 and 10-year bond yield is around 2.8587. So these key factors are little bit down from their immediate highs. But the base part was that FIs covered their short positions and whatever they sold yesterday in the cash segment, nearly 3,000 crores, got absorbed by domestic institutions. Nearly they bought 2,900 crores in the cash segment. So while looking at the short term pattern, we should be buyer if there is any correction during the day. If there is a higher opening, because Singapore Nifty is quoting some 70-80 points higher as compared to its previous close, so we may see the opening somewhere around 17,200 or 250 sort of levels. So there we should avoid taking any position. But if there is any correction during the day, then certainly around 17,130, 140, which was yesterday's closing level, there we should be buyer. And for Bank Nifty, 36,200 should be the stop loss for creating any long positions. 36,800 would be the next level, and above that 37,200. State Bank, ICICI Bank, or even Axis Bank, all these banks are above their important resistance levels. So basically we saw some profit taking yesterday, but broader pattern for all these stocks are quite encouraging, and we are specifically bullish on all these stocks. We are expecting further more upside. We may also see some value buying in technology companies. So all these sectors we need to keep on our focus list, and based on the pattern of the market or based on the reversal pattern, we should look for adding some positions. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.